कपिल सर, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. कपिल सर, नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट. Kapil sir, please start the meeting. कपिल सर, आप मीटिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अभी.
हेलो. हेलो. हाय, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. तो okay, so we'll start the session. Just a second. Yeah, good evening, Swastik and Revarth. Okay, just a second. Okay, in the last session, we talked about factors. Okay. What are factors of a number and how to use factor tree method for prime factorization. Okay, so we discussed that. Now, next is prime factorization by division method, okay, or step method. So let's try to understand this with the help of an example. So let's say we need to find the prime factors of 60. Okay. So what we do, we write 60. Okay, we start with the smallest prime number, okay, which in this case is 2, and we see if it's divisible by 2 or not. So 60 is definitely divisible by 2, and then we divide 60 by 2 and write the quotient here. Yes, Swastik. Okay, good. So after that, we have this 30. So again, we check if 30 is divisible by 2, and of course it is. So we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, so we move to the next prime number, which is 3. Okay, now 3 times 5 is 15. Finally, 5, and we keep on doing it till we get 1 in the end. Okay, so we can say that 60 is basically 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, or we can also write this as 2 square times 3 times 5. Okay, I hope this is clear. Yes, any questions here? Swastik, Revat? Swastik knows this. Revat? No. Okay. Yeah. Now let's solve a few problems related to this. Just a second. Yeah. So let's start with the first one. So do it with me. Type your answers in the chat box. So yes, Swastik. Good. So 2 times 3, 3 times 1. Wait. Okay, next one is 3 times 3, 3 times 1. Okay. Revat. Okay, Samsung SM. Please rename yourself. What's your name? Type your name in the chat box. Third one, 2 times 5 is 10, then 5 times 1. Fourth one, yes, good. Reverth, 3 times 5, 5 times 1. Then here it is 26. So 2 times 13. Now 13 is a prime number. So 13 times 1. Yes, good, Swastik. Others are not responding. Guys, please respond. Reverth, 35. Okay, 5 times 7, then 7 times 1. Then we have 55. So 5 times 11, then 11 times 1. Then there is this 65. So 65 is divisible by 5, 13 and then 1. Okay, 85. Yes, Swastik. Okay, good. Yes, Devika, Revarth, you guys are not responding. Are you there? Type your answers in the chat box. Yes, okay, Revarth. So 85. So 85 is divisible by 5. So we get 17. And then 17 is a prime number. So 17 times 1. Okay. Next one, 33. Yes, Revarth, Devika. Swastik, yeah. 3 times 11 is 33. Then 11 times 1. Okay. Next is 8. It can't be just 11. 3 and 11, 4, 2. Okay. 8, yeah, so 2, 4, 2, 1. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay, there are 3 2's, not 4, guys. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Then 12. So 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So 12 is basically 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Yes, Devika, finally you responded. Okay. Now next one. Okay, 2 6 10. After that, 3 3 and 1. Okay. 20. So 2 times 10, then 2 times 5, 5 times 1. Okay. Next one. 4 times 7. Oh, wait, sorry. 2 times 14, 2 times 7, 7 times 1. Okay. Then 2 times 15, 3 times 5, 5 times 1. Next one. Yes, this one. 16. Guys, Devika. Yes, 315, then 3 times 5, finally 5 times 1. Okay, next one. 50. 2 times 25, then 5 times 5, 5 times 1. Yes, 68. 2 times Yes. 34. Then again 2 here. 17. Yeah, and finally it's 17. 17 times 1. 17 is a prime number. Okay, good. Now next question, 70. Devika, you should start from the smallest prime number. So 2, 35, then 5, 7, and 1. Okay, next one, 75. Yes, Swastik, 5. Or C, 75 is also divisible by 3. So we should start with 3. Okay, then 5. Now 86, 2. Yes, correct. 43. Yes, 43 is a prime number. Okay, so 86 is 2 times 43. Yeah. Next one, 91. Yes, guys, come on. 91. 1. Devar. Devika. Yes, 91. No, no. 91 is not a prime number. Swastik. What are the factors of 91? Anyone? Devar. Devika. Okay, 7. Yes, 7. And then 13. Okay. See, 13 times 7 is 91, guys. You should know this. Okay, 93. Yes, come on. Yes. 3. And then 31, right? 31 is a prime number. Okay, next 16. This is easy. Okay, 2 to the power 4. Okay, next 36. 2, 3, 3. Okay, then 56. 2, yes, yes, okay, good. Revat, Swastik. Devika, 60. Yeah, 2, then again 2, then 3, and finally 5. Okay, guys, next one. 84. So 2, then again 2. 2 times 21 is 42. Then 3 times 7, reverse. Why are you writing 2 so many times? 3 times 7 and then 7 times 1. 88. So 2 and finally 11. Okay, last one. Just write the prime factors. Okay. 100. Swastik, 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 times 11. Yeah, that is 88. Okay. Last one. 10. No. Reverth, what are you doing? We're talking about prime factors. So we'll start with 2, then again 2, then 5 and 5. So 100 is 2 square times 5 square. Okay, I hope this is clear. Any questions here? Okay, we have few more. Let's finish this quickly. Okay, Swastik. Yeah, 24. Okay, Reverth. Now 32 is 2 to the power 5. Okay. Next 80. Finally, okay, wait. Yes, 96. Reverth, first 2. It's an even number. 2 to the power 5 times 3. Okay, last one. Guys, do it quickly. 120. Write the factors, prime factors. Okay, 2. Then Swastik. Yes, again 2. After that, yes. Another 2. Good. Swastik then 3. Yes, Revan. And finally 5. This is basically 2 cube times 3 times 5. So you can practice this factorization. Okay. We have solved a lot of problems. Fine. Now let's move to the common factors. So let's say we have two numbers and we need to find their common factors. Okay, as the name suggests, we are looking at the factors which are same. Okay. So let's quickly look at an example. Okay, first of all, a simple example. You can see that we have two numbers, 6 and 9. Okay, so first we can write all the factors of 6. So to write all the factors, we can look for factor pairs. Okay. Factors which on multiplication gives the given number. Okay, so 6 can be written as 1 times 6, then 2 times 3. After that, it's 3 times 2, but we got the same pair. So these are the 4 factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Similarly, for 9, 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So these are the 3 factors for 9. 1, 3, and 9. So what are the common factors, guys? Common factors of 6 and 9. Quickly respond. 5. Yes, guys. Revat, Swastik, Devika. Common factors are, you can see 1. 1 is, of course, 1 is a factor of every number. And the next one is, yes, Devika, 3. Okay, so 6 and 9 have 2 common factors, 1 and 3. So now use a similar method to find the common factors of 24 and 36. Yes, guys, do it. I'll give, and then identify the common factors. 24 and 36. So let's take all the factors, all the common factors. Find all of them, and then write. Yes, anyone? 2, 4, 6. That's all. See, 1 is definitely a common factor, Swastik. Are there any other factors? So again, first we'll write all the factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Okay, we are talking about all the possible factors. Yeah, that is fine, Swastik. But common factors. 24. Is 24 a common factor? So see, let's list down all the possible factors of 24. So we'll use this, right? We find these factor pairs. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, then 3 times 8, then 4 times 6, right? And finally 6 times 4. Now we got the same factor pair, so we can stop here. So these are the possible factors of 24. Similarly, we'll find all the possible factors of 36. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9. Yes, then 6 times 6. And finally, we'll again get this 9 times 4. Same pair. We had 4 times 9 here. So we are going to stop here. Right? So now common factors. Now 1 is definitely a common factor. Then you can see 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, what else, guys? Revat, Devika. Are there any other common factors? 12, yeah. Okay, Swastik, you missed 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Is this clear, guys? Quickly give me a thumbs up or respond in the chat box. Okay, Devika. Revat? Swastik? No. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, good. Now next is HCF or highest common factor. As the name suggests, it is the highest number among all the common factors of the given numbers. So how do we find HCF? First is the listing method. Okay, so just let's take the same example. So here we found all the common factors. Now we can just identify the highest one. So what is the HCF of 12 and 36? It's simply 12. Right, guys? Okay. So this is listing method. You can list down all the possible factors and then identify the highest common factor. Okay. So let's use the same method to find the HCF of 30 and 42. So guys, try it out. Again, we have two numbers, 30 and 42. List down all the possible factors of these two numbers and then find the HCF. Okay, Devika, Swastik. So use the same approach. 30 is basically 1 times 30, then 2 times 15, 3 times 10, yes, 5 times 6, and then eventually we're going to write 6 times 5. So since we have the same pair, we'll stop here. Similarly, factors of 42. Devika, Swastik. Possible factors of 42. 1 times 42, then 2 times 21, 3 times 14, 6 times 7, and then again 7 times 6. So we are going to stop here because we got the same pair. So what's the HCF, guys? Quickly respond now. I have listed down all the factors. Swastik, 14, 21, 42. What's the HCF, highest common factor of these two numbers? Devika? Yes, guys, what happened? Highest common factor, Swastik. Highest is Yes, Devika said 6. Yeah. So see 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Swastik, is this clear? Okay, fine. Okay, so this was the listing method, but we usually don't use this method. Okay, this is just for your knowledge because it takes a lot of time to write down all the possible pairs. So we usually use prime factorization. Okay, let's discuss that. So first we find the prime factors of both the numbers. Okay, so let's take this example. So we have two numbers 60 and 90. So let's find the prime factors of 60 first. Okay, so you already know this. Okay, that means 60 can be written as 2 square times 3 times 5. Okay, similarly, we'll find the prime factors of 90. So 3 times 15, 3 times 5, and 5 times 1. So 90 can be written as 2 times 3 square times 5. Now, what's the HCF, guys? So to find the HCF, we simply multiply the common prime factors, okay, that have the smallest power. So here you can see that common prime factors are actually 2, 3, and 5. But we will multiply them with the smallest power. Okay. So HCF is now power of 2 here is 2, here it is 1. So we are going to take this one. 2 times then 3. Power of 3 here is 1, here it is 2. So we need to take this 3. Finally, power of 5 is 1 in both the numbers, so you can take simply 5. So the HCF is 30. Is this clear? Swastik, Devika? Devika? Yes, please respond. Swastik? Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. So, yeah, now let's solve few problems related to HCF. Okay, so let's uh, yeah. Okay, guys, try this. HCF of 6 and 8. Yes. Swastik, Devika? So we'll find the prime factors of 6. Yeah. And then 8. So 6 is basically 2 times 3. 8 is 2 cube. So what is the HCF? Swastik? Yes. 2. Yes. Devika? Okay, so we can see that 2 is the common factor and we need to take the smallest power of 2. So HCF is 2. Okay, next one now. 9 and 12. Yes, Swastik, you can. But here, yeah, we don't have to find the common factors. You can, but then you have to list all the possible factors. Let's just find HCF. Okay. Of course, you can write it as CF. It's okay. We are just concerned with HCF right now. Okay. Devika, so 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So 9 is 3 square, 12 is 2 square times 3. So what's the HCF? Okay, Swastik. HCF is, yeah, 3. Okay, good. So 3 is a common factor and the least power of 3 is 1. So it's 3. Okay, next one now. 4 and 12. So 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So 4 is 2 square, 12 is 2 square times 3. What's the HCF? Yes, Swastik. So it's 4, 2 square, which is 4. Devika, it's 4, not 3. See, common factor. 2 is a common factor. And we need to consider the smallest power of 2. Now, since both of them have 2 square as the factor, so we'll consider the power of 2 as 2. Okay, that's why it's 4. Fine, Devika? Okay. Next is 15 and 25. So 3 times 5, 5 times 1, 5 times 5, 5 times 1. So what's the HCF? Devika? 15 is 3 times 5, 25 is 5 square. Yes, quickly respond. Devika, what's the HCF? Swastik? Yeah, good. 5. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay, Devika, good. 24 and 36. All these problems quickly, guys. So 24 is 2 cube times 3 36 is 2 square times 3 square. So HCF, Swastik 18. Yes, so smallest power of 2 is 2 square, and then smallest power of 3 is 3. How is it 18, Swastik? 12, yeah. Okay. Yeah, fine. Devika. Next one. 40 and 60. So 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5, 5 times 1. So 40 is 2 cube times 5. 60 is 2 square times 3 times 5. So what's the HCF? Yes, Swastik, Devika. Four. Yeah, there is some issue with my laptop's camera. Try to. Hope it's better. Okay, so Devika is saying 10. 20, it's 20, Devika. See, try to understand. First, look at the common prime factors. So you can see 2 and 5. Okay, and then the smallest power of these prime factors. So smallest power of 2 is here, 2 square, and smallest power of 5 is 1 only. So 2 square times 5, it's 20. Yes, is this clear, Devika? Okay, fine. Next one, 50 and 100. So 2 times 25, 5 times 5, 5 times 1. Yes, Swastik? So 50 is 2 times 5 square, and 100 is 2 square times 5 square. So 2 times 25. What is 2 times 25, Swastik? It's 50. Yeah. So you can see that smallest power of 2 is 2, smallest power of 5 is 5 square. Sorry, 2. So we will write 5 square. This is 50. Okay, next one. 72 and 60. Quickly. Devika, respond. Yes. So 2 times 36, then 2 times 18, then 9, 3 times 3, 3 times 1. Okay. So 72 is 2 cube times 3 square. Next is 60. 60 is 2 times 30 and 2 times 15, 3 times 5, 5 times 1. So 60 is 2 square times 3 times 5. So what's the HCF?
Sir, HCF is 12.
20. Swastik?
12.
12. Okay, yeah. So 2 square times 3 is 12. Okay, good. Devika, any questions? No. Okay. Next one. 48 and 72. So 2 times 24, 12, 6, 3 and 1. Okay, so 48 is 2 to the power 4 times 3. 72 is 2 to the power 3 times 3 square. So HCF is, yes, Swastik, 18. No. Swastik 2. So 2 cube times 3. What is 2 cube times 3, Swastik? Is it 18? It's 24. Okay. Fine. Next one. 42 and 63. So 2 times 21, 3 times 7, 7 times 1. This is 3 times 2, 3 times 1. 3 times 21 is 63. 3 times 7, 7 times 1. So what's the HCF? Quickly, Devika.
3.
Swastik, yeah.
Sir, 21 is the HCF.
Yes. So we can see 3 and 7 are the common factors. So HCF is 21. Okay, last one. 45 and 75. So 3 times 15, 3 times 5, 5 times 1. 75, 5 times 1, 5 times 5. So 5 times 15 is 75, then 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 1. Or ideally we should start with 3. So 3 times 2, 3 times 5, 5 times 5, 5 times 1. Okay, so what's the HCF? Devika, Swastik? Yes, 15. So 45 is 3 square times 5. 75 is 3 times 5 square. Common factors 3 and 5. And the smallest power of 3 is 1. 5 is also 1. So HCF is 50. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, I think you will get this worksheet. Okay, so you can practice more. With this, let's end the session here. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Swastik, I don't think we have a class tomorrow. Okay, just check the schedule once in your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone.